Picture this. You're lounging on a white sand beach in the Maldives, or maybe you're exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo. Now imagine this. You didn't pay a single dime for your flight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that dream could be your reality? Welcome to Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around because today we're diving into the world of AI-driven travel hacking using rewards programs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use cutting-edge technology to earn free flights and travel the world like a pro. Oh, and spoiler alert, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First things first, what is travel hacking? No, it's not breaking into airline systems or bribing a pilot with cookies. Travel hacking is all about leveraging rewards programs, credit card points, and yes, even AI tools to score free or heavily discounted flights. And with AI in the mix, it's like having a personal travel agent who never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and definitely never judges you for booking a 3 a.m. flight to nowhere. Let's start with the basics. Rewards programs. Most airlines and credit cards have loyalty programs that let you earn points or miles for every dollar you spend. But here's where AI comes in. Tools like Max Rewards or Wallet Flow can analyze your spending habits and recommend the best rewards programs for your lifestyle. Think of it as a matchmaking service, but instead of finding you a date, it's finding you the perfect credit card to rack up those miles. Pro tip: look for credit cards with big sign-up bonuses. Some cards offer 50,000 to 100,000 points just for signing up and meeting a minimum spending requirement. That's enough for a round-trip flight to Europe or Asia. And with AI tools, you can track your progress toward those bonuses and even get reminders to hit your spending goals. It's like having a cheerleader in your pocket minus the pom-poms. Next up, flight booking. AI-powered apps like Hopper, Skyscanner, and Google Flights are game changers. They analyze billions of data points to predict the best time to book your flight. Ever wondered if you should book now or wait for a price drop? These apps will tell you. Some even send alerts when prices are at their lowest. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of telling your future, it tells you when to swipe that credit card. Now, let's talk about AI chatbots. These little digital assistants can help you maximize your rewards in ways you never thought possible. For example, some chatbots can track your points across multiple programs and suggest the best ways to redeem them. Others can even find hidden deals or error fares, those crazy cheap flights that airlines accidentally post. And trust me, nothing feels better than snagging a $200 round-trip ticket to Tokyo because of a little AI magic. Speaking of error fares, these are like the unicorns of the travel world. They're rare, they're magical, and if you're quick enough, they can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. AI tools can monitor flight prices 24/7 and alert you the moment an error fare pops up. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on the lookout for your next adventure. And let's not forget about upgrades. Who doesn't love a little luxury? AI can help you strategize how to use your points for first-class upgrades or even free hotel stays. Imagine sipping champagne in a lie-flat seat while everyone else is fighting for armrest space in economy. That's the power of travel hacking, my friends. Here's the best part. These strategies aren't just for one trip. Once you start earning and redeeming points, you can keep the cycle going. Book a flight, earn miles, use those miles for your next flight, and repeat. It's like a never-ending travel loop. And with AI by your side, you'll always be one step ahead. So, to recap, sign up for rewards programs, use AI tools to track and maximize your points book flights with AI-powered apps, and keep an eye out for error fares. Before you know it, you'll be jet-setting around the world without breaking the bank. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, maybe even splurge on that first-class upgrade. You deserve it. But wait, there's more! Let's talk about airport lounges. Did you know that some credit cards offer free access to airport lounges? That's right, no more fighting for a seat at the gate or paying $10 for a bottle of water. With the right card, you can enjoy complimentary food, drinks, and even showers. AI tools can help you find the best cards for lounge access, so you can travel in style from the moment you step into the airport. Now let's talk about hotels. AI isn't just for flights. It can also help you save on accommodations. Apps like Hotel Tonight and Kayak use AI to find last-minute deals on hotels. Some even offer rewards programs that let you earn points for every stay. And if you're really savvy, you can transfer those points to airline miles. It's like double dipping in the travel rewards pool. And don't forget about rental cars. AI can help you find the best deals on rental cars too. Some apps even offer rewards programs that let you earn points for every rental. Plus, if you book through a travel portal that's linked to your rewards program, you can earn even more points. It's like getting paid to drive. Well, sort of. Finally, let's talk about tours and excursions. AI can help you find the best deals on activities at your destination. Some apps even offer rewards programs that let you earn points for every booking. And if you're really clever, you can use those points to book more activities or even more flights. It's like a never-ending cycle of travel rewards. So, to recap, sign up for rewards programs, use AI tools to track and maximize your points book flights with AI-powered apps, and keep an eye out for error fares. Before you know it, you'll be jet-setting around the world without breaking the bank. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, maybe even splurge on that first-class upgrade. You deserve it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Atlas IQ for more tech-savvy travel tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got a travel hacking success story? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, happy travels, and remember, the world is waiting for you. See you soon.